Hello, welcome to Nana's Journey. I'm Deanna, and today we are going to do block 2 of the Moonbeams Charity Quilt Along by Fat Quarter Shop. But before we do that, I want to let you know that I fixed block 1. I had like this piece backwards, and I forgot to put these two pieces on these. So thank you for Bobbins with Brittany for pointing that out to me so that I could get that fixed. I really appreciate it. And I do count on you guys for letting me know when I've done something wrong, which is often. So just so you know, that is fixed. Make sure you follow the patterns. They are free on Fat Quarter Shop. There's a link to the pattern below. And this is the block that we are going to do this time. These are the 4 fabric colors. I've got all the pieces cut out. And we are going to start with these. I still need to cut these. I don't like doing half square triangles this way, but that's what the pattern's having me do, so that's what I'm going to do this time. I did buy the paper piecing kit that she has specifically for this quilt, and I believe we will probably use that next time. And I haven't used them before, so we'll see how that goes. So let's get to the sewing machine. Okay, we've got our pieces set. This is how they're going to go. And we are just going to put them together and sew. Okay, so we pressed towards the blue, and then when we put these together, they will nest. And then when you open it, you have your quarter square triangle or hourglass. So we would just press that. So let me get the rest of these made and we'll be right back. Okay, I have my hourglass units all pressed and trimmed. And we have 16 of these, and now we're going to start the little log cabin borders. We're going to put these two together, and we're going to add this one. Then this, then this, then this, then this. Then we're going to add these two, and we'll add this, and then we'll add these units onto this. Then we'll add this and this. So let's get that going. I've got my pattern there. Okay, and I'm just going to hurry and do this one while I'm at it. And now I'm going to press these open and then I will add. Okay, I'll be pressing towards the dark blue. And let's see, we want the green on top, the blue on the bottom, and this green on the right. I'm going to trim that right now before I add any more. Okay, that's trimmed. You always want to trim log cabin pieces before you start the next round, otherwise it can end up wonky. Okay, we will add the blue. Okay, press that towards the blue. Then we're going to add this piece, and then we will trim again. Okay, and this will measure 3.5 inches. And we are making 8 of these corner units. Now we'll press that and trim it, and it should be 5.5 inches square. Actually, these will be pressed this way, and these will be pressed this way, so outward from the square. So pressed like that. I'm sorry, I think I said to trim that at 5.5 inches. It was 4.5 inches. This next one will be 5.5 inches. So we're going to put this one here. This is F. That's pressed up. Okay, now we take that one we did before, and we're going to nest those seams so that we have a nice crisp point. Okay, and now I will press this to the outside and trim at 5.5 inches. Now we're going to add E. Okay, now I'll get this trimmed to 6.5 inches, and we need to make 8 of these, 4 for each block. We're making 2 blocks. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, now we're going to take those hourglass units that we made and a solid square, and we're going to attach it to the blue side. And we'll do that with all 16. And then we'll press it, and we'll have these units. We will press towards the plain square. So let me get those done, and I'll be right back. Okay, when we put together, we're going to put these, the stars next to the center, and then we will have one of these in the middle, this on the left, this on the right. And the green square is one of the outside top corners. Okay, we're going to iron these towards the outside. And where's the other one? And then these ones will get ironed towards this piece. Okay, when you pin it together, remember the green square goes on the outside, one of the outside corners. Going to nest the seams. And there is our block. You press away from the middle. So you pressed away and it'll lay nice. And there we go. We have block 2. I'll just need to finish the other 3 and then we'll be done. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next time on Anna's Journey.